Today, I thought that I would do a video that is just introducing you to who I am. There's been a lot of people that have joined my YouTube channel, or maybe you are seeing this and you've never seen me before. So I thought it might be time to just do kind of an about me video so you can get to know who I am and what I'm all about. Hi, my name is Deanna Bradford. I'm a realtor with Reese Nichols Realtors, Excelsior Springs, part of the Bill Hightower team. I got into real estate. I have been a realtor for 16 years now, but when I got into it, I wasn't really looking to get into real estate. It just happened to be a part-time job that I had at a real estate office that allowed me the ability to get my license and then try it out. And I guess it worked because it took off, and I found that I was actually pretty good at it and that I enjoyed it a lot. That's how I got my start in real estate. The two most important things to me are my family and my faith. Let me start with family. I've been married to my husband for 27 years. We were high school sweethearts, and we have 5 children together. 4 of those are adult children now out of the home, and we still have a high schooler left who just started his freshman year of high school today. I am also Nana to 4 wonderful grandchildren, 3 girls and 1 boy, and they are a blast. I enjoy them. They go from 5 years old down to a year or so. They are fun and a lot of energy. So I said my 2 most important things are my family and my faith. My husband and I belong to a church in Liberty, Missouri, where we have been members for, I'd say, 14 or 15 years now, a long time. And my faith is important to me. My church family is really like family to me. And it's not just a thing I do, but it is who I am as a person. So those are 2 things just to kind of get to know who I am. When it comes to real estate, I had mentioned earlier, I've been a realtor for 16 years now. I am currently out of Excelsior Springs, Missouri. I service Kansas City from about the river north up as far as Cameron, St. Joe, kind of this wide area of the Northland. And I have worked with some amazing people along the way and have sold properties in many different areas across that Northland area, which has been quite fun, let me tell you. I have loved the friendships that I've made, and I have loved being able to just help people through the process. You don't know what to expect. You don't know what you're doing. And just being able to come alongside them and encourage them and teach them and guide them along the way is such a rewarding experience for me. Some of the favorite people I've worked with are families. I'm a mom, I'm a Nana now, and I kind of have a mama's heart when it comes to my clients. And so anytime I work with a first-time buyer, especially a young family, and can just help them get started and then be able to connect with them for years, being able to watch them. I have had families that I helped them buy their very first home before they even had children. And now all these years later, they have a whole family that's growing, and being able to follow along on their journey through the different seasons in their life. That's one of my favorite things about this job is the friends I make and how I'm able to stay connected and help them. I've had many different kinds of transactions, if you will, that I have been a part of over the years, anywhere from somebody that's lost a significant other and needing to sell a property, or having lost parents, or having parents that can no longer live alone and having to help sell a family home, helping people move to a bigger home or sell their bigger home and downsize to a smaller home as their children have moved out. There's just been a lot of great experiences and great people that I've met over the years. And I think that's why I like this job so much, is being able to meet new people and make new friends. Some of my most precious memories of doing this career over the years have been the hugs that I get on closing day when somebody gets the keys to their new home, and it a lot of times is their first home, or it's been a difficult process and I've been able to help them get to the end and they're just so thankful and grateful for the guidance and the encouragement and just being able to help them through hard seasons sometimes. Like I said earlier, it's just a rewarding job. It can be hard and it can be stressful, but in the end, it's always rewarding, and I never want to take it for granted. So my heart is always to help, to serve, to educate, and to encourage and help people get their goals met. So help people get where they want to go. But I hope that gives you kind of a little insight into who I am. And I hope that you'll follow along as I continue to work on my YouTube channel and putting out videos each week that are educational, that provide information about the market, that provide helpful tips about things to do to your home, ways to save money, to help make your home look better, or to do the right repairs and upgrades to your home. Or maybe it's about informational videos about the home selling and the home buying process. I do a lot of those as well. And so I hope these are all helpful. And then I've been having fun with doing the community spotlight videos where I go and interview somebody that has a small business here in Excelsior Springs. I'm hoping over time to even branch out further beyond Excelsior Springs into other communities around us. I actually live in Lawson, so I'm thinking that would be the next place I would go. But for now, there's a lot of people that I can serve here in Excelsior Springs in helping them do those community spotlights and highlighting their businesses here. So I've had fun doing them, and I hope you're enjoying them too. If you haven't seen them, check out the playlist because there are several great small businesses here. I haven't even touched the surface yet of all the great people here in this community. So if you enjoyed learning a little bit about me and didn't mind my rambling on, like this video because it helps with my channel, and I would appreciate it greatly. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so when we put videos out each week, you'll be notified and you won't miss a single one. I would really love your input, so feel free to leave a comment. Give me some feedback on what you think about my videos, any questions you may have, and I would be happy to read those and follow up with you. Thanks again for watching and have a blessed day.